Hallo, liebe Leute. Let's take a look at your activity. Die Jugendliche erzählen. Jugendliche, yeah, the youth, the young people. We've had this word before, yeah, but just I want to bring your attention to it. Yeah, Jugendliche, yeah, it's not Kinder. You guys are not Kinder, children, and you're not Erwachsene, adults. You're Jugendliche, yeah, youth. So like 13 to 25-ish is Jugendliche. So die Jugendliche erzählen, yeah, the young people tell the story here. All right. So remember Martina and Alexandra. Yeah, also, it's not going so great. They are currently feuding. Yeah. So they were best friends, but maybe not for much longer. So they're having a telephone conversation, yeah, a telefonat, a telephone conversation about the party. Okay, now here's your job. Your job is to look at these statements, 1 bis 6, and you're going to say whether these are true or false. Stimmt, ja, das stimmt, that is true, or das stimmt nicht, that is false, yeah, or is not true. Yeah. Also, so you've got to go on here the pictures. Yeah. You can look at the pictures, okay, and that will help you kind of tell if these things are true or not, because somebody's not telling the truth. All right, and you have two places to click. You can click there, you can click there. Yeah, to listen to the audio. Did I give you the script? I did. The script's down here at the bottom. Yeah, so if you need to read along while you listen, please do that. All right. Do it before you check the answers. Here come the answers. Ja. Nummer 1. Die Jugendlichen haben Spaghetti gekocht. Also das ist richtig. You can see that in Foto 1. Sie haben Spaghetti gekocht. Also Nummer 2. Sie haben keinen Spaß gehabt. They had no fun. There's no evidence of that. It kind of looks like they're having fun. Ja, so ja, sie haben Spaß gehabt. Also, das stimmt nicht. So, Nummer 2 stimmt nicht. Nummer 3, nur die Mädchen haben getanzt. Das stimmt nicht. Not true. You can look at the picture here, and it's not just the girls, it's also the guys. Yeah. All right. Nummer 4. Die Jungen haben Karten gespielt. Die Jungen, boys. Don't get confused. Jungen, boys, Jugendliche, youth. Okay, so you can sort of see here in Foto Nummer 2. Yeah, looks like that's true. Die Jungen haben Karten gespielt. The boys were playing cards. Yeah, that fact is not disputed. Also Nummer 5. Martina hat mit Nicole die Küche aufgeräumt. All right, here's our photo evidence. There's Martina, and she is indeed cleaning the kitchen, but not with Nicole. It's very nice, yeah, that Jens wore this very bold sweater. We can very easily identify him in the photos here. Yeah. So Martina hat die Küche mit Jens aufgeräumt. So Nummer 5 stimmt nicht. Und dann Nummer 6. Die Party hat 11 Uhr aufgehört. Die Party hat 11 Uhr aufgehört. Das stimmt nicht. Also you can see the clock up here, yeah, and it is 12:30, yeah, 12:30 Uhr. Ja, und Martina und Jens sind noch in der Küche. Yeah, since it's after midnight, this would actually be 0:30, 0:30. Yeah, es ist 0:30. Ja, und Jens und Martina sind in der Küche zusammen. And then that happened. Yeah, also, but we're not going to deal with Foto Nummer 4 yet. Just know. Okay. So that was it, guys. Also, wenn du Fragen hast, if you've got questions, yeah, just ask me. Tschüssi.